Let us start the questions. Answer these questions. First, who were Jack and Nico? Jack, Jack and Nico were both our children. Both children are neighborhood. See this question. Who were Jack and Nico? Jack and Nico both are neighborhood and friends. Question 2. What did both the mothers want their children to do before going outside to play, and why? What their mother wanted to go do before going outside to play? Answer. Both the mothers wanted their children put on their winter clothes like coat, hat and gloves because there was so cold outside. There's too cold outside, that's why their mother wanted they have to wear winter clothes, coat, hat, gloves. Question number 3. Jack and Nico's mothers both made the same promise to their children. What was it? Answer. What was the Jack and Nico's mother promise to both of them? What was the promise has done with their children? What was the promise? Answer. Jack and Nico's mothers both made the same promise that they would watch them to build a snowman from the window. Question 4. Who didn't mind being out in the cold? Jack or Nico? How do you know who didn't mind being out cold? Means who don't mind about go outside to play. How do you know? How we know it? Answer. Nico didn't mind being out in the cold. Nico didn't mind. She didn't mind to go play outside in winter, in cold atmosphere. We know this as she asked her mother herself. She asked herself to her mother if could go out and play. Next, 5th. By when was Jack supposed to complete his snowman? By when was Jack supposed to complete his snowman? When means, did you understand the question? When Jack will complete his snowman? By when? Means here, till up to when he will complete it. Answer. Jack was supposed to complete his snowman by the time his father returned home. When his father will return home, till up to Jack has to complete his snowman. Last question. What were the differences between Jack's snowman and Nico's? What is the difference between Nico's snowman and Jack's snowman? According to Jack, snowman should be made out of 3 snowballs and was decorated with carrot, bucket and buttons. And according to Nico's snowman should be made out of 2 snowballs, was decorated eyes and mouth with pine cones and the sticks for arms. Let us see the vocabulary. Words that are made out of 2 words are called compound words. For example, two nouns. Suppose two nouns is made up of. We can combine the two nouns and made the compound words. Suppose snowman. There are two spellings separate. Snow plus man. Both are noun. We can make a new word. Snowman. Next example, snowball. Snow and ball. Both are nouns. We combine to them and make a new word. Snowball. So, words that are made up of two words, two nouns are called compound words. Now match the column to form compound words. Milkman, blackberries, will, एक minute, headache, eyes, eyewitness. The remaining is will, barrow. Okay, right here, milkman. Both are noun. Blackberries. See, blackberries. Next, will, barrow. Headache. Last is eyewitness. So, complete these compound words. Complete your textbook. Okay, dear students.